Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have JESS GLYNNE here with a song called Enough. GLYNNE has been here before on this channel. This time we have Enough, another great song here from her. So let's take a look at this one. No need for any capo. Alright, we have 5 chords we need to handle, so let's go over the chords first. We're going to start here with the C sharp minor. So it's a bar chord. We replace the bar, your index finger, on the 4th fret. You don't have to bar the last E string here, so just 5 strings if you want, from bottom up like this. And then you need to add 6 on G, 6 on G, and 5th on B. That's a C sharp minor. We're going to the B here, and we go with the sus version. You play now with the bar on the 2nd fret here, index finger, same strings, 5 strings from bottom up like this, and then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on G. And that's the B. We're going to the A and going with the sus version there as well. So it will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, open B, and open E. Then we have another bar chord here. It's a F sharp minor. You play the bar on the 2nd fret over all strings. All right, so that's that. And then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. That's the F sharp minor. And the final chord is the E. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Okay, you can stay with that chord, the E. We're gonna learn the strumming pattern with this one. So if you grab the E still, you have a strumming pattern that is about 2 different parts here, because we're gonna split them and use it on different chords. So the first part will be down, down, up, clap, like this. So down, down, up, clap. That's the first part. And then it continues with part 2, which it will be down, down, clap, down. So down and a short pause, and then down, clap, down. So if you combine these 2 parts, it will be down, down, on clap, down, down, clap, down. And right after that final down there, you immediately start in the next round again. So together will be like this. And a couple of rounds with this strumming will be. All right, so we're ready for this song and the different parts here. We're gonna go over the verse, the pre-chorus, and the chorus, and you have all the tools to build this together on your own. So we're gonna start with the verse now. You're gonna play C sharp minor, part 1, and then A, part 2, then F sharp minor, part 1, and E, part 2. So C sharp, part 1, down, down, up, clap, and then you can go to A, part 2, down, clap, down. And then you continue with that in the same way with F sharp minor and E. It goes like this. All right, so that's how you handle the verse play. Over to pre-chorus, you're gonna play B, part 1, C sharp minor, part 2, then A, part 1, and F sharp minor, part 2. That's the first half of it, and then you go again, B, part 1, C sharp minor, part 2, and then you go with just 1 down on A and a big pause there. It stops. So it's almost 2 rounds of the same there in the beginning, first half of it, but you just stop on the A and play 1 down on that and wait for the next part, which is the chorus. So before we go there, we're gonna play this pre-chorus, and I'm gonna play the full pre-chorus for you. So it goes like this. the pre-chorus. All right, over to the chorus now. That is also as a bridge later on. You're gonna play in the same way there as you play for this chorus. So you're gonna play A, part 1, F sharp minor, part 2, and then you stay on the F sharp minor and play that part 1 as well. Okay, and then you end with C sharp minor, part 2. And that is one round. So A, F sharp minor, F sharp minor part 1, and then C sharp minor part 2, like this. That is one round. So there you have all the tools to handle JESS GLYNNE's Enough. So I think that is enough for you. You're gonna handle these different parts and put it on your own together, and that will be the end of this tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed this one. I do my best here to give you great songs, and yeah, feel free to support me and give me some motivation to go on here with this beautiful guitar channel, Gordon Guitar. So hope you have a nice one, and till next time, play tuned.